Toddy is one type of alcohol drink. Fermented alcohol is there. Not very high, it's about 5 to 6% only. And after drinking it might help you to sleep. That's what the British did those days in the estate. They set up every estate at a toddy shop there. So after the work in the evening they go there, they buy in the toddy shop, about 2 pints of toddy, they drink, they'll sleep off. But those days they don't have any much entertainment in the estate. So from there it started. Toddy is fresh from coconut tree. It's a lot of benefit like vitamin C, other vitamins there. We are in Simamore, in my plantation, a licensed toddy plantation. My father was doing it from 1930s till 60. Then my mother took over from 60s. She was doing it till 90. Then from there I took over my mother. Skilled toddy tappers, when they see a tree, they'll know where the toddy flows or no by looking at the bud. If the fresh bud, a lot of fruits, they know there'll be toddy flow, will be more there. So they go up there, they tie the fresh toddy bud. By tying that with the string, they don't allow that flower bud to open. And to soften the bud, they use one type of wood to bang it. Then they slice it and they keep it 2-3 days and they do the same process. Then they slice it. When the toddy flows, they'll bend the flower pot and they'll put a pot inside. At least 2-3 days they'll be doing the same process. Slicing it and softening the toddy bud wood. The first stage is a bit tough for them because a fresh bud, they do a lot of work at least for 2-3-4 days. Every day they have to slice it. Slice it, it toddy flows. So they go up in the morning, they slice it, they'll collect it in the afternoon. Afternoon, what they're slicing, they'll collect it in the morning, early in the morning. Lifespan of one bud is about 1 month. And only skilled tappers can do that. Nobody else can do. So in Malaysia, nobody wants to tap. It's only Indian nationals. In other places, few Indonesians. Early in the morning, you chill the toddy, it will be sweet. What we collect in the afternoon, the toddy will be already fermented, so the taste will be different. Certain people, they like to drink sweet toddy. Certain people, they like to drink fermented toddy. It gets fermented very fast, especially in hot days. If we want the toddy to be not fermented, we can put 5 purut batang inside the pot or mangosteen bark inside the pot. The toddy won't change to won't ferment. Only the color will be different. 5 purut batang, it will be yellowish in color, and mangosteen bark, it will be slightly brownish color. Because it's not fermented, there's no alcohol inside. Toddy is a cooling drink, so it goes well with hot curries, crab,